Hi, my name is Lauren Legree with the Atkins Group, and welcome to 2679 Orchid Avenue. This home is centrally located in the heart of North Charleston, just minutes away from the interstate, Tanger Outlet, Riverfront Park, and downtown Charleston. This home features 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and is newly renovated. Welcome to your new kitchen. This kitchen features brand new stainless steel appliances as well as granite countertops and updated fixtures. This home features spacious bedrooms. One can easily be converted into your home office. Come and unwind in this spacious primary suite complete with 2 large windows, which is perfect for natural sunlight.